Manipur Technical University के Management Students सिंगना सिनबा Corporate Leaders Conclave 2023 ngasi Hotel Imphal da pangthokre hariba conclave asi ahumlak suba edition oina ensuring business continuity amidst adversity haiba team da state asi da corporate sector hena chawkhalhana bagi pandam da pangthokibane thauramadu da saruk yakhiba Manipur lenga ke textiles commerce and industry ge commissioner PK Jhana phongdokibada Manipur asi sana khotna ba amade handloom and handicraft ki lamda bak asigi mangjil thariba state amani hariba lam ani asida natana medical amadi engineering ge lamdasu state asi khumang chausilibani corporate ki lamdadi state asida achauba industry amadi company marang kaina leitabana management gi mahairoi kaya thabak fangna bahotna bada awaba thengnarabasu atopa state singda chatuna khudong chaba launa bahotna gadabani haiki loinana state lenga ke management mathau tauba department singda maru oina election commission na chingbada Manipur Technical University gi mahiroi singna internship ta honduna election gi management da mateng panghaning bagi apamba phongdokhi loina na mahiroi oiringai gi matamda di sel tan bagi wakhalna mang tha bagi mahutta experience hengat hauna bahotna bana hena fai haiki loina na election commission gi election survey da Manipur Technical University na mateng pangkibagi damakta su commissioner na thagat pa phongdokhi conclave asida Manipur gi saknai raba entrepreneur kayana saruk yaduna technical session da wangang ke thauramadu da university asigi official sing faculty sing amadi mahiroi kayana saruk yakhi.
Like my election office, I will be more than happy, and also Lok Sabha elections, the parliament elections are approaching. So 10-15 of you can easily come and work with us, assist us, see how things happen in the government and how because election is the biggest management exercise throughout the country. More than 2.5 crore people are involved in this exercise during the parliament elections in terms of the human resources, the security personnel, all kind of paraphernalia that is involved. So it's the biggest management exercise with zero error. So you all should come and work with us. We'll give you certificate. About the honorarium I do not know, but then you should not be looking at the money aspect right now. This is a time to accumulate experience, knowledge,